When we want to feed the bees, we remove the front metal pin and open the cover. We tear off part of the plastic packaging of the food and place it on the inner cover hole. Or we can use a round plastic top feeding tray if we want to supply the bees with syrup. We can also use one of these feeders when we want to supply syrup. When we want to check inside the beehive, we remove the inner cover, support it on the cover, and we then support the frames like this. As you can see, there is no danger of the floor falling over, not even with the extra weight we have leaning on the roof. But if you are worried, you can use fasteners which are very easy to install and are also inexpensive. In this way, we are able to work without putting the cover, the inner cover or the frames with the bees on the ground.